wake up tired and grayish and feel like 100 years old? Well, I'm 45 and I do wake up like that sometimes, and this is how I do the no makeup to make my skin look glowy, for me to look fresher and to feel so much better. You just need some products, some techniques. Keep on watching. So the first product that I'm going to use is actually a very cheap one, RIMMEL London, and it's a hybrid product. It's not a primer. I mean, it is, they say it's primer, but it's also a highlighter, and actually is the perfect dupe. Hollywood Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury. So you see, instantly I have this glowy texture that I really love and makes my complexion altogether more hydrated. Actually, what it does, it eliminates the shadows, the grayish cast that I have, because I had up in work, so I got tired. Now, what I like to use usually is either one or the other. Either I use a concealer or a foundation, because I don't want to put on too much coverage. I just want you to see my real texture that translates in confidence. And I just put it on my hand. This is a Charlotte Tilbury foundation, not foundation, is the contour brush, but I use it for foundation because I find that this kind of brushes a little bit more fluffy. It is stiff, but yet a little bit fluffy. It will make my application smoother. So my forehead is darker. I will need to bring some contour in play for me to make the skin, you know, even with my body. And you know what, I'm gonna use this one. Is the medium Beautiful Skin Sun Kissed Bronzer. And I can't recommend enough having your makeup bag more products in cream formulation, because that would help us a lot. So I take it with the same brush. Usually I use only one brush. I put the primer, concealer, foundation, then highlighter, cream bronzer. And what I'm doing, I'm not going to contour because this one is too warm for me to contour. For contouring, we need a much grayer product that will mimic our shadows in order for us to make an optical illusion, like a higher cheek, like a smaller forehead, like a smaller nose. I need something more grayish, more cooler tones. So this one, I will just use it to bronze. So where does the bronze kiss us? On the top of the nose, on our cheekbones, on our forehead, but we already know that my forehead is darker. That's why we are doing this. Why not on the chin? So now I have same color, but I love this light part of my face because, you know, it just brings the healthy complexion. Yes, I love it. I can't say this enough. Always take your brush and remaining of the products and just swipe, and just blend it into the forehead, like so. I look brighter and healthier because bronzy skin translates in our brains that the person sitting in front of us is healthy and happy. And happy means healthy. I really love this Best Skin Ever from Sephora. And what I really love to do, so it's a medium coverage concealer. I love putting it here. And if you take a look at yourself in the mirror, you're gonna see that your shadows in the eye area are actually here in this part. So there is no reason for us to overload where we have wrinkles, okay? So we're gonna do this. I am going to do this because now I really want to lift up my face. And of course the center. And I want to clean a little bit, just make like an inverse contouring because we did not use today contour, and usually when we put on makeup for the daytime, I really cannot recommend enough learning this inverse contouring technique because you know what? It is so much forgiving instead of doing a harsh contour for the day. So I have that bronzer, and now I'm just cleaning up with this Sephora concealer. So you see, that's why we don't really need to pack. For instance, if I were to put this all over my face and then I come with the concealer and then I powder and then I put this and that, and it's too much of a coverage and too many layers, and too many layers will crack during the day, especially on drier or dehydrated skin. So yeah, this would be my recommendation. So instantly now they look even more awake and fresh. Actually, fresh is what I want from today's. And this, let's bring it down to the orbital bone. So you see, I don't take it up there into the roots of the lashes because there is no need. It's better to brighten the orbital bone and to go like this. And then, you know what, take your finger and just press the product. And remember, the tapping, it will push even more the pigment into the skin. The excess, I love to bring it here to give me this lifted eyebrow bone. You see, this is sexy, this is good, we want that. So I take the excess from here, I'm not wasting it, I will just bring it here. So yeah, one step further. If you find that you have a greasy, oily skin throughout the day, now would be the time for us to put on some setting spray or a very fine milk powder. So what I want to do now, I will take this lovely Chanel and I will just, I want the color of my lips to look like, you know, I have those cherry lips natural. I just woke up like this. I love doing this. And when you rub your lips together, you are just helping the pigment and the color stain to melt into your skin, into your lip skin. And it's just like your lips, but better, isn't it? And now that I have product, I will not waste it, and I will just use it to do this on my cheek. And I still remember this pushing the pigment. So now I'm pushing this red, muted red, into my cheekbone like I had a jogging session, and all this blood is moving through my veins, so I look so much fresher and more awake. And I even have some on my pinky, and I put it here. So you see, I have this chromatic harmony going on. Okay, love it. Let's do the other side. So until now, I haven't used any powder. No, I love it even more. I'm gonna add a little bit more red. And I'm gonna take the brush and just add a little bit on the nose, and with the brush I am blending everything together. So this is supposed to be a no makeup look. And now I want to show you something that I really love. I think I showed you in the last video as well. Glossy Glass from Dior. I love this. Where should I show it to you? Here. I don't know, it's very glassy. I'm gonna put it in the top here. You see, catches the light beautifully. Like I have even more of a healthy skin. I love putting highlighter exactly in the center of my eyes, just a little bit more. Yeah. And here. So this is how you achieve a no makeup look. How do you like it? I find it amazing. I find it amazing because we usually have those days when we don't have enough sleep, where we have no time but still want to look put together, and you know, this is it. This is the makeup that you need. Less is more, and finding right products for your needs would be my next advice to you. So how do we find the right products? Well, knowing your skin type, knowing how your skin is behaving during the day, how it reacts to certain formulas like matte foundations. Do they oxidize? Do they keep your face like a wall? It's like so tight that you don't love it, or is it too oily throughout the day? Maybe you put on a glowy foundation and you have larger pores, and instead of looking dewy, you're gonna look greasy. So you really have to simplify things. First, what is your skin type? What are your needs? And then what is your preferences, you know? And just keep on watching here, because I will give examples on what's your type of skin. Even now you can write in the comments and I can reply to you and help you with your choices. And then here you will find how you can mix and match products in order for you to look at your best every day, to look in the mirror, to have a smile, because like Marilyn says, smiling is the best makeup you can wear. And guys, please don't forget, soon we will be opening Makeup Over 40 Substack, and you can go there, subscribe, it's free. And there you can find a lot of informations about us women over 40. I'm 45. I am a makeup artist. I'm a single mom. So many times I have no time and I'm in a rush, but still I want to look good. So that's why I put on makeup to make me feel good. Till next time, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, follow, and see you in the next one. Bye.